That popping noise when you crack your knuckles has worried people for generations, but the arthritis fears are unfounded. The sound comes from gas bubbles forming in the synovial fluid of your joints when pressure drops during stretching. Real-time imaging studies show no bone or cartilage damage during typical cracking. Population research comparing habitual knuckle crackers with non-crackers consistently finds similar arthritis rates between both groups. Most studies suggest minor effects like reduced grip strength, but findings are inconsistent and small. Knuckle cracking is a benign habit that may annoy others but does not harm your joints.